Hi everyone, this is a complete line of filling machines that we are about to ship to a customer. The one in front is the conveyor belt, which sends the bottles into the filling machine by wind conveying. This is our 3-in-1 filling machine. Filling and capping, and the star wheel is thickened to ensure the stable operation of the filling machine. Bottle filling is completed, it will pass through our light inspection box to ensure the quality of each. Our blow-drying machine nozzle adopts omnidirection, which can quickly and comprehensively blow-dry all the water of the bottle. The bottles will be labelled with the PVC logo in the labelling machine. Workers can control the speed and check the operation situation on the intelligent touchscreen. This is our shrinkage oven. After the shrinkage oven heating sent to the next step. Full automatic packaging can be set up here with specifications and parameters. In order to give customers the best pre-sales service, engineers are adjusting the packaging machine so that customers can immediately put into production after receipt. This is the shrink oven of the packaging machine. After passing through here, a bottle of water and drinks can be sold.